I'm going to throw together a quick video real quick. This here is a plug for 120 volt 15 amp, and my van has a side garage because of its past life. So what we want to do is we want to position this right in here somewhere. My camera went astray. Right in here somewhere where we can plug in if we want to. At the same time, it's got to clear the hinges so when the door opens it won't be in the way. Here we are with the door open. So this has to be up here somewhere so that if there's a wire coming out of it, when this door opens all the way, it doesn't scrunch any wires in the hinge. So we're going to put a hole right there for this, and we'll get on it. I'm going to put a pilot hole in the back because the interior location, there's some framework and whatnot in here, and I want to make sure I avoid that. So I will start a pilot from the inside to make sure that I'm coming through right where I want to be. Well, as you can see right here, we have our pilot bit hole there, and we're drilling through this with what's that, Spider titanium, no, carbide tipped, I'm reading things wrong, carbide tipped hole saw for metal. And important thing here is go slow, don't rush it. Well, this turned out to be a little more fun than I was anticipating. If you look down here, you see I actually hit the frame. I had no idea how thick the frame was on this, but now I do. So we ran across that. So the next step is we feed this guy through here. That'll come all the way through. That's going to set up in here, and we will silicone that and put some self-tapping screws in there. Well, here we are. This is caulked, sealed in. I have to clean that up just a little bit. A couple stainless self-tappers in there. Close this, and we're good to go. Now, if you were doing this on a regular vehicle, regular van, anything like that, after you drilled this hole, you would paint everything, some sort of rust blocking paint type deal. But this is aluminum body, so it's not going to rust, so that's not an issue. But just keep in mind, if you're not doing aluminum, you'll need to clean that up so you don't get rust. And this, on the back side of here, has this little guy here. And then, let's see if we can see this. My existing, we've got 30 amp down to 15. We're not running anything 30 amp in here. So basically just 15. I've got gas for my heavy loads, so we're not running any large things. But that essentially is where we're at. Let's close this up, see what she looks like from the outside. That's the finished product, and it blends right in. Just got a little bit of dirt on it, and it'll match everything else.